This is code.org, and we're going to predict and run. Now, students, keep in mind you can't hit run until you enter your answer here. Once you do enter an answer and hit run, you can't change it. Your answer is submitted to your teacher. If I'm your teacher, it's submitted to me. Okay, what do you think this program does? Take a look at the code, write down what you think it does. So let's brainstorm some. We instantiate a painter object, right? We declare painter. So this is the name of the variable or the object, Ella. Ella is of what type? The painter type. And we set that equal to a new instance of the painter class. That's all a fancy way of saying Ella is a painter and can do whatever functionality is within the painter class. So Ella is going to move once. So I'm going to assume Ella starts right here. And then we have one move. So that's that one. Take paint. So Ella is here now. Okay, so we take paint 3 times. Notice that's a 3. So we must take all that paint, I guess. Moves and paints 3 times. Okay. 1, 2. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. So we take all the paint, but we don't move yet, right? So we paint this white. Let me go back here. So we must paint this white after taking the paint. We then move. We paint this white. We then move and paint this white. Okay, so that's this chunk. Then what? Then it looks like we turn left 3 times, so we would be facing right. So now we're facing this way, and then we move forward 1, plop, and then we take paint 3 times. Interesting. And then after we take the paint 3 times, we paint and move forward, paint, move forward, paint, and move forward. So we're going to end up right 1, 2, 3. Right here. Okay, let me hammer out some of this. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of summarize that. And you guys, use your resources. Notice they have comments here. It's pretty handy. We could even just go off their comments. So, Ella moves and paints 3 times. And then Ella turns right by turning left 3 times. Then 3 paint. Okay? And although I'm not going to write it, then Ella moves forward and paints 3 more times. So now, of course, you want to use your own words. You want complete sentences, especially you're my student, but let's check it out. Well, and